welcome back to Path to Passive Income. My name is Shaw, your one and only. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. They're making me do videos on Valentine's Day. Fuck you, motherfucker. I could be drunk right now sitting in the closet with the lights off crying and shit because I popped a hole in Stacy last night, my blow up doll. And yeah, but now I gotta sit here talking to myself and my 10 subscribers. Shouts out to y'all, y'all the realest. But anyway, let's talk business. I was gonna talk to you about Keepa.com, but first things first, I promised you some homework. Here it is right now. Let's go look at it real quick. This is very important for you to look at. I want every one of you to read this book right here. It's called Online Arbitrage, Sourcing Secrets for Buying Products Online to Resell for Big Profits by Chris Green. This book is very important for you. This is your new Bible. You're gonna need this almost every day, and I hope you read it all the way through till the end. It's about 38 chapters, about over 400 pages, something like that. But yeah, it talks about Keepa and other stuff, very important pages, websites that you're going to need for online arbitrage. And also it explains the graphs that I'm going to talk to you about right now. I'm going to show you real quick here about the table contents so you can look at it. Okay, this is the table of contents right now. It starts with Keepa.com using the graphs, and then there's another website, Camel. It's a bunch of websites talking about telling you what to do, how to do it. It's very good. It's a great book. I'll definitely recommend. You can see the other pages, chapters. But yeah, very important. You gotta read this book. Please, you have to read it. There's going to be a pop quiz next week in the video. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, you have to read it. Otherwise, you're not going to be as successful as you want to be. Okay, so I already picked out 3 deals on Keepa.com that we're going to look at today. And these deals are good to look at because the graphs are ideal. But first, I want every one of you to sign up on this website, Keepa.com. You just go on the website and then sign in. It's free. It takes like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes. And you can choose your Amazon store here. You just go to any country you're based in, basically. Right now, I'm in the UK Amazon store. And you just go down here and you can see the best deals. It starts with the best deal and going down to the worst, but a deal is a deal depending on how much profit you can make. Alright, so this is let's go to the deals I picked out for you already to save some time. This is one of them, FIFA 18 for Nintendo Switch. It's very hot right now, and I'll tell you why. It's at £23 right now. The original price was at $44.82. I'll tell you why in a minute. This is the Keepa graph if you sign in on Keepa.com, and you're going to see this graph on every Amazon page for every product. So it's very important to be locked in all the time. Okay, so let's start here. I'll tell you why this product is very hot. Okay, let's turn off the used one real quick so you can see. The orange line is for the Amazon price. This is for the new price from other sellers on Amazon. And this is the sales rank. Okay, you can see the sales rank right now has dropped to almost 0. No, it's at 1 right now. So that means it's the hottest thing in the video market, video gaming market. So this is the hottest game out of all. This is the #1 game for Nintendo Switch, FIFA 18. So this will be sold out very quick. And if it is sold out, Amazon will restock it at the original price. So they will go back to $44.82 most likely. And I'm going to talk to you about the sharp drops in the sales rank right here. This is it's indicating that in a short period of time there were very high amount of sales made for this one product. This is the only reason. So it was at originally, you can see at what, 141 until it dropped to 1. Yeah. So this means this was probably the same time when the price was reduced. So people noticed it. It's like, oh wow, let's go buy it. That's what happens when people buy one product all at the same time. You drop at one. So this is very good. This is the best product on Amazon right now. The hottest. Yeah, for this category, of course. What else we can talk about is you can also look at sellers fulfilling by themselves, fulfilled by merchant. So you can see the prices there. You can see the warehouse deals. You just tap on it. So you get this purple line. You get the new third-party FBA. This is us. This is going to be us. When you're selling as an FBA for FBA on Amazon, this is you. So I think this is it for this graph. Let's go to the next one. The next deal I found for you guys. So this is the next deal I found for you guys. This is a ride-on car. It's a great product. It's also amazing. I always wanted one of these. It's also remote controlled. Yeah, I wish I was a kid again. And yeah, it's reduced from 220 to 90 pounds. So the sales rank is at for this product at 654. Yeah, it's about 654,000. So the sales rank is quite high, but you can see the price drop has been reduced slowly. It's not a sudden fall in price. It's only a gradual decrease in price. So this could be an indication that Amazon is recalibrating the sales rank for this item because it hasn't sold in a while. So this doesn't mean somebody has bought the item. It means just because Amazon is just checking up if this product is still hot or not. So it's they're changing the algorithm on this product, so whatever, so get the data right. But what else we can talk about is let's go zoom out to 1 year. Here you can see it's a good arbitrage product, but it's if you look for the past year, they have sold about 6 products. If you zoom out to 1 year, you're gonna see how many units this product has sold. You can guess basically. I'm guessing only 5 because the sales rank has been dropped. So this is, if you count, this is one sale, then there's no sale for a long time, and then another one, another one, another one, another one. So that's 5. 5 units have been sold in the past year, but all at a price of maximum 220. This product is good to buy right now, but you have to be going for the long run because this product might not be very hot. It could take a while to be sold to people, but you can make a good profit on it anyway. So I think that's it also for this product. Let's go to the next one. This one is, yeah, it's a plush toy. It's a Pokemon plush toy. Let's go check it out. It's at $28.96 right now, but you will not believe this if I show you right now. If you look at it right now, here, at some point it was being sold for 635 pounds. I have no idea why. It could be because this product is a collector's item. I have no idea. It could be also because they're not making this anymore and this is the last one. But also, I don't know, it might be true, it might be not. It says Japanese import right here. So this could be the reason. It's because it's only available in Japan for some reason. I have no idea. But you can see right here, somebody bought it at 600 pounds. 608 pounds, this is the price drop. Somebody has bought it for 600 pounds and it's been there ever since. Okay? So, I don't know. It could be a kid that bought it. It could be some collector that bought it. I don't know. But the price has been there ever since. It's been like over 2 months. Yeah, it's about 2 months it's been there. So if you look at it, let's go zoom out to all. You can see here, yeah, it started out at 11, 12, yeah. It went all the way to 9 pounds, 8 pounds at some point. Yeah. And I don't know how the price went up so much for some reason. But also when the price went up, you see the sales rank has been going down as well. Well, up. It's been going up. The higher sales rank, yeah. So at this price, wow, it went all the way up to 900,000. Yeah, for the sales rank. But yeah, it could be anything. It could be a glitch in the system. It could be an error. It could be anything. But don't expect this item to be sold for 600 pounds or anywhere close. I think if you buy it for 28, you'd probably be selling it for 28 as well. So this is just a graph to look at. This is just one good example of being careful not to buy anything, not to rush, because this is a plain error. It could be an error. I think it's an error. I hope it is, because I don't think anyone would be buying this for 600 pounds. I mean, it's a toy, and it's not even that big. It's like about 7 inches. I don't know. Is that inches? But yeah, it's pretty small, and I don't know if anyone would be willing to pay that much. So it could be worth investigating why this product has been sold for that much. If you check it out, I don't know. It could be because they stopped making it. It could be because it's a collector's item. But anyway, alright guys, I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And like I said, if you want more deals on Keepa and whatever, comment on the video below. And I'm going to create a Facebook group so you can get free deals and all that stuff, so you can have better chances at online arbitrage. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, motherfuckers. Like seriously, you haven't done that already? Like, what's going on? Like seriously, subscribe to my channel for reals. Like, do it right now. And make sure you read the book, alright? Until then, stay woke.